Both. Okay, welcome to a series of being complete idiots.
Otherwise known as?
Otherwise known as Little Jackasses. We're going to take a look at the Big
Bird.
Big Bird.
Butt.
Big Bird. There's Big Bird. He's the true jackass.
And that's our Jeep.
And that's his Jeep.
We're going to climb under it, and while this jack butt stands right there, he's probably going to start it. But knowing him,
that's our daddy.
So I'm gonna climb under.
Okay.
Okay, give it.
No.
Give it. Taylor,
Come on, Connor.
It's still hot. It's still hot.
Stop, Emma. Stop.
Oh God.
What?
It's hot under here. And we do have to stay under.
Look at what happened there. Just for safety reasons, I'm not going to attempt that.
Oh my God. This is, can I say it? This is the jack butt.
That's why
The jack bat.
Oh, I see.
Nobody likes him. Stay away from him. And join us next time on.
No, wait. There's another segment.
Oh God.